Me personally, I used to test this every day when I was losing weight. I lost 200 pounds, as everybody hopefully knows. That's all I talk about. It seems like, but I used to wear a glucose patch on my arm, and I would take Cardio Miracle, and I wouldn't see any of my sugar levels wouldn't spike. My glucose levels wouldn't spike. The only thing
Mhm.
that would spike are my vitamin D levels. So, no, short answer is no. It didn't break my fast, but some people are challenging us on that. But even Dr. Avery said it doesn't break a fast. So,
Yeah,
yeah,
and I have seen that they lowered the caloric intake for a fast about 10 calories from 60 to 50, but I that doesn't we still don't even come close to meeting any of the thresholds of any of the caloric or otherwise sugar.
yeah,
Yeah, no, that's great. Um,
yeah. So I used to intermittent fast 20 hours a day from 6 p.m. to 2 p.m. the next day. And that's why I say Cardio Miracle was the cornerstone of my
mm,
weight loss, because I used to drink Cardio Miracle all morning while I was in my fasting state. So, yeah.
yeah, I intermittent fasted for about 5 years till about 2 o'clock, and that was the only thing that I would do in the morning was cardio miracle, and I noticed my cellular repair, my energies remained the same, and I lost about 30 pounds.
Dude, that's like, you don't need to lose 30 pounds, David. I guess you did, huh?
Oh, I
That's
did,
awesome.
yeah. But I felt better. I felt better. So
I bet, man. That's awesome. Good for you.
COVID, packed on that extra weight,
Sure.
sitting around eating.